This video contains public record footage shared for educational purposes in compliance with YouTube's fair use policy. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty.
Welcome to another episode of BODYCAM Global Crimes.
Hey man, welcome back to the channel. Listen, I got a wild video for y'all today, man. A school teacher driving 100 miles per hour, crashed into another car while driving under the influence. So this is gonna be a wild one. But as always, I'm gonna let my boy Alfred take over. You know he got the better voice around here and run you guys through this whole thing. Okay, so let's run the intro.
It's just before 10:45 p.m. on June 1st, 2023. Patrolman Harry Moore from the Magnolia Police Department is responding to a crash on Whitehorse Pike near Evesham Avenue. When he arrives, he finds a 2016 Kia Optima smashed into the back of a 2021 Toyota Highlander. And it wasn't just a little fender bender. The Kia's front end is wrecked, leaking fluids everywhere.
Okay, so what happened?
We were at a red light, and then it turned green, and it looked like she was going, but then she didn't, and then I didn't hit into her. I will admit to that. Like it looked like she was going, and she didn't.
Okay.
So
you guys were stopped, and then you started to go?
Yes.
This is Alexa, the special ed teacher, but tonight she's the one in trouble. After crashing at high speed, officers start to suspect there's more to the story that meets the eye. And from here, things are only going to escalate more quickly.
How hard did you hit her? Because your hood's been up like halfway up your windshield.
So I was coming from ongoing the traffic, and then I was slowing down, and then we met the impact, and this was...
Okay. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from my friend's house.
Okay. Were you drinking at all tonight?
I did have one drink.
You had one drink?
I did.
Okay, because you're pretty slurry right now and your eyes are pretty glassy.
I don't mean to be that way. Like, I'll just be honest. I'm a special education teacher.
Where are you a teacher at?
I'm not lying. Like, one drink.
Okay. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you. Okay, let me just grab all your information.
Okay.
Judging by the damage, officers knew she had to be flying down that road way faster than she admitted. And the fact that she had a cup of wine started to raise suspicions.
I got my car, so you know I'm straight.
Yep. There you go.
Got my punishment for that already. Ain't no joke.
I was going to try to move it. She's gonna...
Here the officer mutes his body cam. They were talking about how they already suspected a DUI. Now, they just needed confirmation. So one officer steps in to ask her a few questions and see her behavior to make sure their suspicions were right.
If you can, hang up the phone. I want to talk to you a minute.
Alexa is talking on the phone with her husband here.
So you know where I am?
It's going to be a minute.
Okay. Where, how much did you have to drink tonight?
Nah, just the one.
I had one glass of wine.
You had what?
I had one glass of wine.
Okay, and
I
how...
was at a girlfriend's house, and it just stopped out of nowhere.
She just stopped out of nowhere? Okay. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you come out of the car. I want you to perform a couple tests for me to make sure you're not intoxicated, okay? So just step out of the car. And we're going to walk right over here to this parking lot.
To confirm it's a DUI, they start running through the usual tests. First up, the horizontal gaze nystagmus test. Basically, they're watching her eyes to see if they jerk around when following a moving object.
Special ed teacher, and I'm sorry.
All right, what I want you to do face me.
Okay.
What I want you to do is I want you to keep your feet together just like I am.
Okay.
Heel to heel, toe to toe.
Okay.
Okay? I want you to keep your hands down to your side.
Okay.
Don't raise them. Don't do anything. Don't do any tests until I tell you to start. Okay? What I want you to do is, see the tip of my pen?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it like. Thank you. See the tip of my pen here?
Yeah.
What I want you to do is I want you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Like your neck's in a neck brace.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Next test, what I want you to do is keep your hands down your side, okay? Don't start until I tell you, okay? What I want you to do is with whatever, keep your hands, both hands down your side, okay? Keep your feet together, heel to heel, toe to toe, just like I am.
Okay.
Okay? Hands down your side, just like this, okay? Don't start until I tell you, okay? Whatever foot you feel comfortable with, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to lift it approximately 6 inches off the ground, just like I am. While looking down at your foot, I want you to count out loud, 1001, 1002, until I tell you to stop. Do you understand that? Okay, you can proceed.
Wait.
Look down at your foot. I'll explain it again. What I want you to do is... let me know when you're ready.
I just can't believe it's happening. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay.
Yep. What I want you to... don't start until I tell you. I'm going to re-explain it to you, okay? What I want you to do is keep your hands down your side, feet together, heel to heel, toe to toe, just like I am. Don't start until I tell you to start. What I want you to do when I tell you to start is I want you to lift any foot that you feel comfortable with approximately 6 inches off the ground. I want you to count out loud, 1001, 1002, 1003, and while looking at your foot until I tell you to stop, okay? You can proceed. Look down at your foot.
Okay. Down. Okay.
You're looking down at your foot and you're counting. Okay. That's enough. I don't want you to proceed anymore, okay?
At this point, it's clear. Alexa's not fit to be behind the wheel. Between the crash, the alcohol, and the failed tests, Patrolman Moore places her under arrest for DUI.
All right, do me a favor. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Okay, you're being placed under arrest.
Oh my God, no, please, no, I'll do it, please, no.
Do not resist.
I don't want to
Okay, you are too intoxicated to be driving.
You please don't resist me.
Okay,
Please, I'll do it.
listen.
Just follow his directions.
Oh my God, this is so crazy.
Where is this going?
Oh my God. I will. Oh my God.
Man, don't make this any harder, okay? I just need you to just cooperate with me, okay? You're not. You're not. Okay, we're gonna...
Holy shit! Oh my God!
Jump in my car
Flip it around.
and bring it right over here for me.
Oh my God!
Yes, car one.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
To let you know, at this time you're being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated, okay? I believe you had a little bit too much to drink.
No,
Okay?
I did it! Oh my God! Holy shit! This is
Okay, we're gonna step right here to this car right here, okay?
Okay, that's fine. I'm not.
I know, I just want to make sure you're not falling, that's all.
I'm not gonna resist.
Okay,
But this is crazy.
Alright, just have a seat.
This is what people need to learn. Oh my god. Holy. Can I call my husband, please?
Yes, as soon as we get to the station, you'll be able to
No,
call your
can I
husband.
call him?
No, when we get to the station, you'll be able to make a phone call, okay?
Oh my god! Seriously? I
Okay.
can't call him before I get to this.
No. Okay, listen. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you are being questioned. You can afford an attorney. One will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you so desire. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions and make any statements. Do you understand each of the rights that I've explained to you?
I do.
Okay.
And someone from,
Having
from
these,
the
having
union
these
that
rights
sucks
in
that
mind,
this is the
do you wish
perspective that we're from.
to talk to us now? Is that all her stuff?
That's right. Do you have anything else in the car that you need? I have your phone and your wallet and your keys. Do you need anything else?
I don't know. Do I need my registration?
No.
Her car got impounded under John's law, which means it's stuck for 12 hours. Meanwhile, Alexa is taken down to the Magnolia Police Department for processing, where she agrees to give a breath sample. And here's when it gets real once they see how much alcohol she has in her system.
What's that?
Nobody, I never saw anybody questioning her.
Okay. I'm not going to speak to you until we get to the station, okay? Until you confirm your Miranda rights, okay?
Sir, I'm not trying to be like that.
Okay. I'm not trying to be like that as well. I'm really not. And you know, it's
Scary for me and really upsetting for me, but like I'm also like a balance and like nobody was questioning her. I didn't see anybody questioning her. I didn't see anybody making her trying to do a test.
right.
And like I'm not saying right or wrong. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying like nobody was doing that to her. So why is that?
Like I said, I will talk to you once we get to the station after you are read and you sign your Miranda.
They actually did question the women that she crashed into. But the officers quickly realized who was the victim and who was at fault. It wasn't a hard one to figure
that, ma'am?
out.
Officer Moore,
I'm sorry.
you do not have to apologize. Believe me.
I don't think I would be complicated if I was. If I was being complicated, I don't think I was, but if I was, I apologize.
That you do not have to apologize to me. Okay. We're gonna step right out and we're gonna step right up here to the steps here, okay?
Can I call my husband?
Yes, ma'am. As soon as we go inside,
I
okay?
don't think he understands.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Officer Moore.
It's okay.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
There is no reason to be scared. I promise you. I am one of the most lighthearted people that you'll ever meet.
I am too, and that's why I'm like, I can't believe I'm in this situation.
Okay, you all right?
My husband.
All right, just hang tight.
I don't even know.
You're in Magnolia.
Where?
Magnolia. Okay, let's step up here.
Oh my god.
Just watch your step, okay?
Okay.
And then there's going to be a few steps here.
Okay, up here.
Yep, we're going to go right up here.
Okay.
Okay. Hang tight one sec. I'm just going to go around you.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to step up here.
Okay.
Once there, they read her the standard statement for motor vehicle operators, and she agrees to give a breath sample, and her BAC comes back at 0.21%. That's more than double the legal limit of 0.08%. At that level, it's not just a couple of glasses of wine situation, it's a serious problem.
I'm so sorry.
I don't want you to fall.
I don't want to.
Just stand up for me for 1 second. I'm going to take these off you.
Okay.
Need a trash can?
No, I don't.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no, yes, I
All right.
fumbled it. I know, no, but I don't. I just. My life. It's just borderline.
Okay, I just need your right hand. Okay, just put your right hand here, right here for me, okay? Okay. You don't have anything in your mouth, no gum, no nothing like that, right? Okay, perfect.
On August 8, 2023, Alexa is found guilty of DUI and careless driving. The punishment? An ignition interlock device for 3 months, meaning she literally can't start her car without passing a breathalyzer test. 12 hours at an intoxicated driver resource center and $880 in fines. Luckily, no one was seriously hurt, but it's a harsh reminder of the dangers of drinking and driving. This video is based on official records obtained through the New Jersey Open Public Records Act, shared to promote transparency and public safety. Under fair use, we discuss cases like this for educational purposes.